This game began 550 years ago in Valencia. A city full of history, art and culture. A vibrant city that forever changed not only the rules of the game, but also its very essence. So was born one of the most iconic chess pieces. The Queen, the most powerful piece on the board. A piece that revolutionized the game forever. In a Renaissance Valencia full of creativity and change, the Queen rewrote and transformed her own role, becoming a piece capable of turning games around in a matter of seconds. This meant a more feminine social vision of the game, reflecting changed times. Free, dynamic, mimetic and creative, that is what she was then and what she remains to this day. Scachs d'Amor, Chess of Love, a poem turned into a book that still resonates today. Bernat Fenollar, Narcís Vignoles and Francis de Castelví created the now powerful Queen. Then the printing press catapulted it around the world. Today this piece still plays a pivotal role. Centuries later she invites you to discover her origins, magic and culture within the context of this most challenging of games. Valencia invites you to join a game that, despite 550 years of history, is still young at heart.